Welcome to the next lecture. And in this lecture, let me clarify that where I want to take you, what goals I am talking about. I am not talking about that you want to purchase a bike, I want to purchase a car. It's not only about that. What we are discussing here is the goal that is the ultimate goal of your life. I want you to create the big picture, the picture that you will have in your mind after 5 years from now. Probably, if the way you are going, you have seen in the Y exercise, the way you are going, you might not reach there even, and so your mind leaves it off. Your mind gives you certain objection. Your mind finds a secondary intention, secondary benefit in keeping you the same what you are. But I want you to get bigger than your life, bigger than your thinking. Work for a goal that makes you uncomfortable. And so there is a principle that we use in NLP when we talk about goals. What are the characteristics of the goals? The goals must be based on the principle of hugs. What does hugs means? Hugs means your goal should be huge, unbelievable, great goals. Create your goals so big that it compels you to work towards it, to move toward it. It should make you afraid. It should make you so much concerned that if you don't reach that goal, it becomes a matter of your prestige, or becomes a matter of your living and dying. This is the goal that is going to change your life. This is the goal that is going to make you work and take you where you want to be. The goal has to be huge. It is not limited to moving out from a 2-bedroom house to a 3-bedroom house. Sorry. It is not limited to moving from a junior manager post to senior manager post. Sorry, I don't want to work with these small goals in your life. When we are talking about changing your life, setting a goal for your life, it has to be huge. It has to be unbelievable. It has to be great. A goal that attracts you equally and lets you feel the difference between the present life and the future life that you want to live. That is what is your dream life. It is not your comfort zone. I want you to get out of your comfort zone, and that is why the goals should follow hugs. After this lecture, I will be taking you through a visualization which is identifying with your goals. This visualization will help you identify with your goal. You have to identify yourself with your goal, because you might be thinking and dreaming so many things. You have already written down in your book the present state and the desired state, and you have seen the difference where you want to go, where your thought can go, and wherever your thought can go, you can reach there. You will reach where you belong to. And today is the day. With this workshop, it is the day that you create that belongingness today. How you will get this belongingness? How am I actually going to create when I don't believe myself? Create that sound inside you. Do the as if exercise as many times as you can throughout the day. It's only a 5-minute exercise. Because I want this to penetrate in your subconscious. I don't want you to just dwell into your consciousness and sit with your objections. We can overcome objections. So many people have overcome their objections in their life, and they have achieved great things in the world. They have become role models. They have become idols in the world. In each and every field, you will be able to get idols. Just a few days back in India, I heard a news that there is a girl who swiped the streets for 12 years. And then she passed the administrative exam, and she became an RAS, an officer of the Union Commission. Swiping a road, can you believe? You are definitely better than that if you are sitting in front of me and taking this goal course. That means you are definitely better than that. But people change the world only with one thing, and that is the belief. They start looking, seeing, feeling their goals. And this is what is called as associating with your goal. And I will give you an idea of what your life should be. What is a successful life? What is the definition of a successful life? If you have never thought about it, think about it right now with me. How to live a successful life? This is the next topic I am right now covering. What are the characteristics of a successful life? What things you should have in case you believe that your life is successful? And there are these 10 points that you have to keep in your mind. See these 10 things upgrading when you see that your life is changing, when you are reaching a place where you want to live your desired life. The first things first is a good health. Health is the first priority, is the first thing that you must overcome. You must maintain a good health in case you want to enjoy the riches that are going to come in your life. God has created a miracle. In each one of us, God has created a miracle. In me, it is a miracle. In you, it is a miracle. You see the world depending on your internal world that is inside you. If you are not healthy, if right now at this point of time you might be having many problems, you might be having many health conditions, you might not be feeling healthy, but you need to understand one simple thing, that the first things first you have to start working is you will start working on your health and you will get a good health. First goal. Second goal is your financial health. Whatever has been said in concern of money, that money is evil, money is bad, but please understand, you can survive, you can enjoy your life and you will define your freedom only and only when you have a thick, big bank balance. So focus that you should have certain amount of financial health in your bank. I want you to define this amount. What amount? Let it be unbelievable. Let it be whatever it comes to your mind. Let it be 10 lakhs per month. Let it be 20 lakhs per month. Whatever it might be. But I want you to believe that I have to reach there. This is what? This much amount will be there in my bank account and this much amount will be there in my house. Then I will believe that I am. Because once you get financially free, you feel yourself independent, you can help yourself, upgrade yourself, and you can even contribute in the society. Earning money is not always bad. Earning money is not only about earning what you have. Earning money is about contributing to the society at the end of the day. How you will be contributing? When you have limitless finances, you will be helping people in orphanages, you will be helping people in old age homes, you will be helping people in destitute homes. You will be helping people open schools. You will be helping upgrade the community schools and community colleges with your contribution. This is what is the life that you live when you say, I am financially free. You are free to purchase anything, take anything you want in your life, bring anything you want in your life, maintain anything. You are not worried about the increased or decreased gas prices. You are not worried about the loss and the profits. You are beyond all these things. This is what is financial health. Third thing that defines is a home of your own dreams. Until and unless you associate yourself with the home of your own dreams, see what type of home you will live. Define it clearly. See what home you will be living in. What will be the area, how will be the garden, how will be the swimming pool. I'll take you through all this in the next visualization, that is identify with your goals. But I want you to have this idea in your mind that when I'm talking about, I am not talking about shallow things, I am not talking about small things. I am talking about unbelievable changes in your status, completely your mindset and your life thereby. The fourth thing that is very important in our life so that we can say that yes, I am successful is your relationship. Your relationship with your spouse, your belongingness, your love. I'll be discussing these things again when I talk about the 6 basic human needs. There is a lecture on 6 basic human needs coming in the course. Stay with me. Don't leave this course till you finish it off. Don't just purchase it and let it be there in your list of my courses. Sorry, come on, get up, use this course. You have to get into good relationships with everybody in the society overall. You should have a belongingness for yourself from the society. Not one person's love, not only one person whom you are influencing and keeping happy, but the whole world, the relationship with the world and with yourself overall. When I'll discuss about repo, I'll tell you what are the 4 types of repo that are important for you, where you will be actually associating yourself with these things. The next thing is your ability to overcome unresourceful emotions. What do I mean when I say unresourceful emotions? Unresourceful emotions means anger, hatred, jealousy. Stop doing that. There is enough for everybody in this world. If somebody is successful, you need not see that he is successful, I am not so successful. Leave their success, appreciate their success. Appreciate what others have, and once you start appreciating the good things that others have, somebody is having a big car, appreciate it. Somebody is having a big bank balance, appreciate it. You see a big house, a very well maintained big house, appreciate it. Say thanks. If this is for him, this is for me also. Thank you, universe. There is no limitation at all other than the limitation that you have in your mind. Don't let your limitations drown your boat. Remember that there is a small hole that can drown the ship. The bigger the ship, a small hole can drown the ship. Don't let your self-doubts, don't let your conscious mind, don't let your conscious thinking come in between right now when we are discussing this. And this brings me to the 6th point that you should have. You should have a self-esteem of your own. Something that is very much belonging to you. Your own self-esteem, your own self-worth, your own bigger self-image. In the book, See You at the Top, written by Zig Ziglar, in the first chapter, he has covered this point, that most of the people fail in this world to perform or live their life because they have lower self-image and lower self-esteem. How can a person say something bad about you? How should a person be able to tell something against you? Have that character, be that character, which character is loved by everybody around you in this world. Create that new you. I'll help you out in creating that in the next visualization. Have some hobbies in which you can spend your time with. You have to feel enjoyment in your life also. You should have recreation also in the life. I am not going to tell you to work 24/7. Sorry, that's not my thing. Already Dr. Herbert Benson has said and that you have to work using the breakout principle. So what will give you this break? What will give you this complete recreation? This will be a hobby. You should have a hobby to die for. A hobby that you can do whenever you feel low. A hobby that you can enjoy when you are free of everything. You should leave your hobby. You should be able to work on your hobby, work with your hobby. It's not that always it is earning and work. That you are doing right now also. But where are you going? In the same life where you are already busy with work from morning to evening, where are you reaching right now? So have a hobby to die for. Have a hobby that you can use it for recreation. And then there is a daily schedule. Now this is one thing that I want you to get into right from the day after this lecture it starts. As Robin Sharma says so many times, that have a world-class daily schedule. Have a world-class life schedule daily. Get up in the morning. Do meditations. Be centered. Keep yourself focused on your goals. Give some time to yourself. Some undivided time to yourself. Don't let the world and the recreations of the world affect you and break your habit that you spend time with yourself. You should enjoy and love spending time with yourself. So make a schedule that is world class, that is robust. And when you have all these things, there is one more very important thing that you should have, and that is your mental and emotional health. A very important point, very important point. If you are having everything in this world but you are completely into stress, you are not keeping your health, you are not in your mind, you cannot control your emotions, you cannot control your responses, you cannot control your reactivity, then whatever you have in this world cannot be paid off. So learn, and I'll teach you emotional health. What is it, how it should be, and how you want it to be. And the last peck that gives you a successful life is start from the end. Start that when you have already reached the desired position. See when you are on your deathbed. See when you are 100 years old and you are fit. You should have no guilt and no regret that I would have done this or I could have done this. Get out of the guilt and regret. Live a life that doesn't give you a chance to feel guilt or regret at your deathbed. These are the 10 powerful things that you have to remember, and your goal should be huge, unbelievably great goals. Your goal should not be that today's food is over, now let me think what I'll do tomorrow. It should not be that with that disease I have crossed today's day, now let me see what will happen tomorrow. Don't give in for anything. You can change anything if you change your mindset, and I am in this workshop working outrightly on your mindset, and so I am giving you so many visualizations, so many trance. Today you have to redefine yourself. Today you have to redesign your subconscious mind for your life that you desire to live. There are lot many things coming in this workshop as you go with the lectures. I want you to take this as a life changer. Give a committed time to this course and sit down with this course. Bring a very good book, bring a good pen. Start writing, making notes in this, because we are going to change your life with this course. We are not working for shallow goals, shallow things. That my neighbor has this car, I want to get this car. My certain relative has this thing, I want to get this thing. Sorry, get out of this particular thing. You need to get out of this, and I am going to teach you how to do it in the coming lectures in detail. That is why this is a very high-end course that is given to you. This course is, if you complete this course completely, you are going to change your life. This course is the course I give for 25,000 rupees over a period of 3 months to the coaches who join me for developing their coaching business. And this course you are getting over here. It's not simplified thing. It's not something that, okay, goal setting, making a list, this and that. Sorry, I am working on your mindset. Let me do that. Be with me. And now join me in the next visualization. Thank you so much.